Everyday natural makeup look. Let's do a everyday natural makeup look. Perfect for school, work, church, and for running errands. First, I'm going to activate my face, this setting spray. Next, we are going to use this mattifying face primer. Little goes a long way. Next is foundation, and we are using this foundation from V Beauty. I'm using the shade 06. I'm not using too much, just a little. Spray the setting spray again. Then I blend on blend on the outer parts of my face. I will not put any foundation on my nose and my forehead yet. Just the side. Then anything that is remaining on the beauty blender, that is what I'm going to use on my forehead. I'm not using too much because it's everyday makeup look. My forehead. Then next is my nose. Just a little. Next, we are going to set the face with this HD setting powder from Blossom Makeup. Tap the excess. Next, I'm going to use this press powder from V Beauty. It's their Stay Matte pressed powder. I'm going to use this mineralized skin finish powder from MAC Cosmetics. I'm using the shade Dark Deep. I'm not using it all over my face, just the outer parts. Next is brows. I did micro blending, so I'm not going to do too much on my brows. So to use this concealer from Adventure Makeup to clean up the brows, like so, to define the brows. The eyeshadow primer from Zekel Cosmetics. Guys, eyeshadow. Use the brush to blend it well. I'm going to use this MAC Mineralized Skin Finish pressed powder for the eyes. Not all over the eyes, just the crease. I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette from Zekel Cosmetics. This is my favorite eyeshadow palette from them. Which shade are we going to use? Let's use this. The matte shade. It's an everyday look, so we are doing mattes. Ultra is the shade. Oh, it's pretty. I like it. I like it. I will blend the edges to make sure there is no line in between. Next, we are going to line our eyes. You can leave the eyes like this, or you can line it. Should I line it? Since it's an everyday look, you can leave the eyes like this, as in not putting any liner inside, or you can line it with liner. Let's just add a little bit of black eyeliner. The waterline. Let's line the eyes. Just a little liner, not too much. Then we had mascara. This mascara is from Zekel Cosmetics. It's a lash obsessed mascara. Can leave the eyes like this, but I want to add a little bit of this eyeshadow I use on my eyelid. I want to add a little bit on my lower lash line, just to blend. Can leave it like this, but I just want to add a little bit of eyeshadow on the downside. You can leave it like this, or you can wear false lash. Should I wear false lash or leave it like this? False lash, no false lash. Let's wear a false lash. Let me wear false lash. Okay, this is okay for everyday school, for work, for church. Let me wear false lash. With lashes now, so use the gel for my brows, just to keep my brows in place all day. So this will keep the brows in place, they don't move. Blush. Next is blush. Add some color to the face. I'm going to set the face again. Next is lips. Lip and eyeliner from Davis to line my lips. I'm going to use this lip gloss for my lips. It's pink lip gloss. This is the finished look. Everyday makeup for school, for work, and for church, or to run errands. Can wear this look without eyelash, false lash, but me, I prefer lash. What do you guys think? Please comment in the comment section what you think of this everyday makeup look for church, for school, for work, and for running errands. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment on the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.